Since how long people around this area are cultivating sugar cane?
From last 50, 60 years.
From last 56 years.
50 to 60 years. From 50 years.
Okay, anyhow, more than 50 years back, people were doing, they started cultivating sugar cane.
Yes, sir.
So we can now say it is a traditional cultivation.
Yes, sir.
Almost.
Almost, sir.
So those times, you people were not using any pesticide or any chemicals or fertilizers for its natural. I think there was
But
no chemical.
they used to use only rock phosphate maybe some 40 years back,
Huh.
which is again a chemical.
Rock?
Rock phosphate.
Rock phosphate.
Phosphate.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh.
But as times passed,
Huh.
many improvised fertilizers came to the market.
Okay.
Apart from urea, they use diammonium phosphate, DAP,
Now my question was, 50 years back,
They use-
people were using only
organic.
organic. So
Organic.
rock phosphate was organic.
No, sir.
No, it was not from procuring from natural.
No, not.
It was a chemical.
Chemical itself, sir.
So more than 50 years back, you had a information that
Yes,
you
sir.
have information that people were using.
Yes, sir.
rock-
Phosphate.
rock phosphate.
Yes, sir.
Since then, so what was the specialty of that rock phosphate? It will boost its growth.
Yes, sir. Because NPK is required for any plant.
Uh-huh.
Phosphorus is found in the form of rock phosphate.
All right. So later, since how long new chemicals are introduced?
Maybe some 30 years or 35 years,
Okay.
all the new chemicals in different proportion. NPK is in different proportion. Usually they are giving several names. But usually it is in 15, 15, 15 or 17, 17, 17. This is the ratio which is taken into
Ratio is
consideration.
different in each one.
And urea is separately given.
30 years back, people started using. They introduced these chemicals were introduced for what purpose? For boosting its growth
Growth,
and also to increase the size of the
So
stem,
stem,
and for
yield.
procuring more yield.
yield.
And later, do you use any chemicals for DVD?
Yes, sir. Now, from last 15, 20 years,
Okay.
even chemicals are used to deweed.
Okay.
Previously, there was no chemicals to deweed.
Okay. So what was the advantage that you people they started to get after using the chemical DVD?
The advantage is manpower is lessened.
Uh-huh.
Because to deweed 1 acre of sugarcane, it requires some 20 female laborers. Instead of that, buy 200 rupees chemical, spray it using one laborer, 400 rupees, your work is finished.
Work is over.
So ultimately, unethical practice for earning more money.
More money.
Ultimately for money,
Money.
without looking any its unhealthy or hazardous
No,
effect.
no, that is not taken into
Naturally, nowadays people do more.
Yes, sir.
So later, since 15 years, you are saying that the chemicals that were being used are still being used.
Yes.
Isn't
There
it?
is even
No
6%.
new chemicals
Maybe different proportions and different companies.
companies,
But
but chemicals are the same.
chemicals are the same.
So now can you clearly say what are the chemicals they use for the cane sugar?
Cane sugar, I'm not aware of it, sir. Which chemical they have used? Because they use from the factory itself.
What about the sugar cane? This for farming purpose,
Huh.
you were telling about some name of chemicals.
Sir, monocrotophos is
Monocrotophos.
that was used for this sugarcane as well as coconuts.
All
In
right.
sugarcane, there used to be some white lysis,
Okay.
which was formed on the leaves.
Okay.
For that, they used to use monocrotophos.
Okay.
Even in coconut trees, there was some problem some 12 years back.
Okay.
Then the government again suggested monocrotophos.
So-
But using monocrotophos, I have personally seen the whole stem is burnt, literally burnt.
Okay.
Some trees have died because of using monocrotophos. Maybe there was some adulteration in the using of the chemicals, and there was some scandal also saying that it was purchased from Gujarat and on behalf of the government.
Okay.
And
So always government, agriculture department and other this one horticulture
yes,
department, they were always encouraging and entertaining more for more earning, and thereby they were always encouraging or entertaining these kind of chemical farming, isn't it?
it was there previously.
Ah.
Now, all the departments, whether it is agriculture department or horticulture department, they say we should do organic
Since how
farming.
long?
From last 10 years or so, sir, they are saying 8 to 10 years.
Fine. Now they got awareness.
They are
So
aware.
now in the meantime, soil has already become polluted by the chemicals. Am I
Yes,
right?
of course, sir.
Now we cannot do anything.
Anything.
So another thing, I heard that urea was being used for
Sugarcane.
sugarcane.
Yes, sir. Any farmer in the whole of Karnataka or anywhere else, I think so, if they are using fertilizers and growing sugarcane, definitely they are going to use 5 bags of urea within that 3 months. What nutrients has to be given?
5 bags. One bag
50
weighs
kilos.
50 kilos.
250 kilos of urea is used
Okay,
for
for
1 acre of sugarcane, along with other fertilizers.
250
kilos.
kilogram for 1 acre.
Yes.
All farmers are using urea
Yes.
for boosting the growth.
Growth.
Still people are using.
Still now also.
So one is urea, other one you are telling
Diammonium phosphate.
diammonium phosphate.
Phosphate.
Do you know one thing I will tell you? Being this one, as I am working in service sector, diammonium phosphate, it spoils the liver.
Yes, sir.
Urea spoils the kidney health.
Yes, sir.
So the two vital red pulp organs named liver and kidney will be spoiled
By
after constant usage of this procurements.
Yes, sir.
So I think these people might have got some information, this government departments. That may be the reason that they
Sir,
are.
one thing which they would have understand, or maybe it is over a period of time, what people have understand. You do natural farming, like using organic manure. The soil is not polluted. You get a optimum growth any time in the year. Once you use fertilizers, then you stop. Then the soil is nothing.
Oh.
Even if you give organic manure, it requires lot of time to get fertile and then take its
Ultimately, you people are only becoming the victims.
victims. It is only the farmers who are becoming the victims. To be frank, sir, from last 4 months, there are some more than 300 deaths of farmers in the whole of Karnataka.
Deaths
Deaths.
because of the debt.
Debt. Every day there is a caption in the TV. One farmer died because of the debt, and this. Why? Because no particular crop a farmer is able to sustain himself. A farmer, he should have at least multi-crop, either this or that. Sir, all the vegetables are straight. All the vegetables, whether it is tomato, lady's finger, or beans, or whatever it is straight. Without chemicals, no vegetable comes out in a proper manner. And that is the reason. See, when I started farming, when I started growing this coconut saplings, plants, you know, the first thing they said, if you don't use this, you're not going to get a crop. We didn't use fertilizers, particularly in this area of 8 acres. But my coconut trees are okay.
That's what.
You make the habit of giving fertilizers, then the soil and the plant both needs. We need fertilizers itself. Once you don't give it, there is no problem.
So now I am telling you as a warning for the information for the Indian public. We have to be very cautious and we should have an orientation regarding this kind of products. And if you use, our internal organs will be slowly getting disturbed and it will become life-threatening. So it is very difficult since many years, more than a decade, I am traveling all over India to find out people like Sanjay who are using natural fertilizers and also organic farming. Now though it is a fascinating saying, it is very difficult to truly to find out people like Sanjay. So we have to be very careful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.